in this question, it says ABCD is a parallelogram and AE bisects angle A. We need to prove that DE is equal to BC. So this is ABCD, the parallelogram, and that's the same diagram but just enlarged. So ABCD is a parallelogram and the line AE bisects the angle DAB. It bisects the angle DAB. So if it bisects, that means that whatever the size of the angle is, once it gets bisected, that will become the angle DAE will be half of that and EAB will be half of that as well. So let's say the angle DAB is X. Angle DAB is X and angle ADC is Y. So according to the question, DAE is equal to half X, as I just mentioned earlier. So DAE is half X. If DAB is X, then DAE is half X. And inside the parallelogram, the total interior angles X plus Y plus Y, the total is 360 because there are 4 corners. So 2x plus 2y is 360. The reason why this angle and this angle is same because it's a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, the interior opposite angles are equal. So 2x plus 2y is 360. So let's take 2 common out of those and we get x plus y as 360 divided by 2, which gives us 180, or we can say y is equal to 180 minus x. Now let's leave this equation for a while and let's focus on triangle ADE. So in triangle ADE, angle AED plus angle ADE plus angle DAE is 180, as the total angle of a triangle, total interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So AED plus ADE, which I have just called Y, plus DAE. We just mentioned earlier that DAE is half of X. So plus half of X is 180 degree. Or we can say AED plus, now we can use this equation. We can say it's 180 minus X instead of Y because it's the same thing. Y is equal to 180 minus X. So AED plus 180 minus X plus half of X equals to 180. Now AED becomes a 180 degree minus 180 minus X minus half X. So then we get positive 180 and negative 180. So we can cancel these, and X minus half of X is just half of X. So AED is also half of X, just like angle DAE. So if DA is half of X and we just found DEA half of X, that means it's like an isosceles triangle. And the opposite sides of these angles has to be equal, since the base of the triangle are equal. So AED is equals to DAE equals half of X. So ADE, triangle AD is an isosceles triangle. DE equals AD. Now if you look carefully, ABCD is a parallelogram. That means BC equals to AD. So if BC is equals to AD, we can say DE is equals to BC. Instead of saying DE equals to AD, BC is equal to AD. BC is equals to AD. They are both the same. BC is the same as AD. So we can replace this AD by saying DE equals to BC. Hence it is proved that DE equals to BC.